Hello, I'm JR, and welcome to a very special video. I hope you're having a great day. I know I sure am. I hope you're having the best damn day of your life, as a matter of fact, because today we're going to be doing another Photoshop tutorial about how to change colors and make the background blurry. Let's get started, shall we? Alright, so here's my picture here, and first thing we're gonna do to change the color is use the Lasso Tool. Now, I should probably zoom in for this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lasso my way around the petals. Here we go. Just carefully get dirty. And there we go. Now, the next thing I ought to do is go to filter. Nope, not filter. Well, this is awfully awkward. Forgot what it was for a second. Now I remember. Hue and saturation, yes, that's it. I sometimes forget the, components and keys in this program, so don't, be mad or anything. It was an honest mistake, everybody. Alright, now, I want to change it to a beautiful purple-ish color. Leave it at 36 ought to do it. And now the saturation at 10. There we go. Okay. Yep, there we go. Now that's changed. Get rid of that. Now let me show you how to make the background blurry. It's the next step. Indeed. Alright. I feel rather silly today. Sorry, everyone. But the next thing you need to do is be sure to try to get the flower not to be all blurry in just the background, and you probably want to get some of this area around here not so blurry at all, because the flower is right on top of it, and you need to make sure it's right on point. So what I go to next is select and mask. By the way, did I forget to mention I took a picture of this flower at a restaurant someplace? Of course I did. Now, it automatically selects all of it. There we go. Now I know this is a problem. Don't panic, everybody. I got this. We got to just work with this. Now you get some of the remaining parts of the background. In fact, let me just leave this right here. Just get these parts of the background. There we go. Now all I gotta do is cover some of that area up. Not that I want to, but I just want to get right on point. Alright, so here's how you get the edges with this tool. The Refine Edge Brush Tool. Remember that, because I won't. Oops, I forgot. You have to use the minus for this. I'm pretty sure you do. Yeah, you do. I see it right there. I'm not too familiar with this. I haven't used this tool that much before. I should probably get hit with this. Just because. Because I can't seem to get these edges too well. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot. I don't think the edge thing works so good with, you know, like you have to use, what it does is add more of that red, I think. But my Photoshop's been acting up today, so I don't know how it works. This may take a little while. Have a little patience. Patience is a virtue. Now. God. Here we go. Ooh, this tool works better. Brush tool. Be sure to use that. That one's, you know, this one works a hell of a lot better. Again, I'm not too familiar with the masking thing. Like I said, my Photoshop tends to, you know, act up on me. Okay, so next thing you do is select new layer with layer mask, then click OK, and then next thing we do, the background's still there, by the way, no need to worry. Alright, so I'm back, guys. I had some technical difficulties with my picture here a while ago, and I had to go back and fix it, so here I am to show you the rest of these strategies on making the background blurry. And as you can see, I selected the area I don't want to make blurry, so that's going to stay that way for the select masking. And I want to show you the select masking by clicking Option, Alt, click, and as you can see, here it is, and it's got some stuff left over that we didn't want to select. So some of the areas are selected and left over for the select masking from the select masking tool, and we can go to the brush tool and click overlay and brush that up. See there? There it is. Coming off real nice, isn't it? Alright. Good. Now don't you worry about your drawing here. No, this won't erase or anything or be done away with. Nope. Don't you worry your pretty little heads. That's all good. Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna just turn this back on. Now I'm gonna duplicate my background. Duplicate layer. Okay. Yes. Now what I'm gonna do next is go to the Lasso Tool. We're gonna use the Lasso Tool again, you guys. Here we go. Alright, now you don't have to make this perfect, you just got to select the areas you want to keep from being blurred out. It may not come out perfect for me, but it might come out perfect for you guys. That's what we're here for, right? Showing you guys how to do this. Alright, now go to Edit, Fill, Content Aware. As you can see there, make sure that's checked. Okay, yes. Filling up. And there we go. That's selected. Now we turn that off, and as you can see, this looks a little freaky, but we don't have to worry about that or make any changes or go back and fix anything. And I want to unselect that, so I'm going to just leave this off, so that way we make sure none of this gets blurred out. We just want this back here blurred out. So now we go to Filter, Blur, Lens Blur. And as you can see there's the whole background. And now you gotta make sure your radius is at 100. You could go at any rate you want, but I choose 100, which is recommended for probably everybody. Click OK. And we turn that back on, and voila! Ah, it's a masterpiece, isn't it? Yep, see there? That's how you blur out your background and change the color on your flower petals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.